with a maximum heating capacity of 9.5 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts. These inverter heat pumps have a COP as high as 5.89. The units use R32, a refrigerant with less harmful effects on the environment. It will operate more cleanly and efficiently. SPRSUN independently developed its own PID intelligent defrosting control mode. It prevents the unit from defrosting confusion and energy consumption. Starting at 42 decibel when testing at 1 meter, the R32 heat pump uses brushless DC inverter fans for noise dampening. They use a constant, quiet compressor motor that runs in the background.